Good morning. Good morning. How's everyone this morning? Welcome in. I'm going to share the live real quick, then you will have my undivided attention. Happy Monday. Well, how was everyone's weekend? Tell me. Good morning. Nitro, Emma, Jeff, Spartan. How was my weekend? It was good. It was good. Appreciate all the likes. Already crushing it on TikTok. Well, what did everyone get into over the weekend? I need to know. Good morning, Thomas. You're in here bright and early. All right, everyone. I'm going to say hi to Team Bull real quick. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. Really looking forward to trading with y'all today and this week in general. Let's see.
Take risk easy today, and really be cautious on any entries.
Good morning, Team Bull.
Sorry, guys. What up?
What's up, man? Good morning.
What up? I was just going over our news for the week.
What we have?
Tuesday, August 11th, we have existing home sales, so maybe something at 10 a.m. tomorrow. And Wednesday is the big dog. Wednesday we have CPI. So Wednesday we have CPI at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. If you guys are trading prop firms, evals, it's the best day in my.
All right, everyone. You have my undivided attention. What's my thoughts on today? Right now, let me see here. Let's look at this. Like a VWAP short looks decent around previous day high. How's that job going, Danny? You about got it finished up, or is it gonna take a while? What's everyone sipping on this morning? Got coffee in hand. Just now made it, so it's gonna be nice and hot for open. Well, we'll see. 10 minutes. 1 week left. Nice. We have about 40 points worth of room above that previous day high area till we hit resistance. I'm gonna watch for a VWAP entry. If we reclaim it, then we'll possibly look at something else. But our previous day high VWAP area for shorts. What's the decision on school, MJS? So I'm letting her go to a regular school the first week or two, and I'm letting her, help me decide because it's a big decision for her as well. So I want to make sure she wants it, just what she wants right now. But she says she wants to try this first, so we'll see. I'm still leaning more towards homeschool. I smashed a protein shake after the gym. Now I'm drinking coffee. Good morning. Good morning. Appreciate all the likes. Try it to be, Emma. Don't always feel that way, but I try. Doesn't always feel that. Appreciate the follow. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. I shouldn't even have to be inviting people in at this point. We've been on such a tear, trading together. You figure this live would be overran with people. It's all right though. Good morning, Esteban. Good morning, Bill. Welcome in. Yeah, if you have any questions, drop them in chat. If you want to share it live, I'd appreciate that as well. Good morning, Border Gas. Wish I got some money for the locks. Me too, man. Well, Nate, I mean, I don't care if people share their ideas of what they're watching. I don't want people getting a bias too much. It tends to go bad often, having a bias like that. I guess not for every strategy. Some strategies, what I've read, I've not back tested the ones I'm speaking of, but some, say it does rely on their bias to work, which I'm not denying. I'm not saying it doesn't work. I'm just doesn't work for me. Most of the time, Nate, people are sharing their ideas. Quite a few. If you look back through the messages here, you'll see some. As far as levels they're watching. Man, you got friends all over on TikTok, man. Got five. Good morning, me. I was wondering where you were. Oh, Alexander, I watched the Odyssey. I watched the Odyssey. Good morning, Jeff. Where do I research stocks? Google. AI helps as well. Now, that's the quickest way for me to do my research, to be honest. Used to, it was just all reading, It was all reading, but was Odyssey good? It was good. It was one long movie, though. It was good. Yeah, I'm not going to give any spoilers here. I feel that, Nate. Yeah, for real, Matt. No joke. Once the Odyssey is released to stream, then we'll discuss it. I don't want to ruin it for everyone. Good morning, DGC. I just hope we can keep the wind rolling for you all. There's no reason people shouldn't be reaching payouts this week. We've been on a good streak, so I expect some payouts to be reached this week if we can continue the. We get the market that we had last week, the week before. Oh, nice. You need 2 more days. What time is it? All right. Let me see if I can find my foot that I can stand on. My walking path. I have no idea where it is. Not for sure. Like the one you stand on, you know. Good morning, everyone. I'm talking to Team Bull for a bit longer. You like knowing about movies in advance? Not me. I don't want to know. I swear I forgot half the shows and stuff I watched when I was young. You know. Hold on a second. I gotta talk to Team Bull. Let's see.
Live in real time. It is an honor to be your mentor with the ODs. That being said, I'm going to pray over this live stream.
Always about to interrupt the prayers on there. Excuse me. Oh. I see Jay done saying the prayer. Is he doing like on Talladega Nights when they pray over the dinner? What's up, Ashley? Good morning. What's up?
Guys, yesterday and Sunday prep.
Let's do this,
I want you
Team
guys
Bull.
focusing on. Let's get it, Grizzly Glock. You got anything you're watching today?
Yeah, like a VWAP reject for shorts.
Nice.
I nearly interrupted your prayer again. I started to talk right when it was coming. So.
That's all right.
I told everyone you might be saying the prayer off of Talladega Nights when he's at the table. You know?
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Yep.
Dear
Got
baby Jesus.
CPI. Sub. Jamie. How you doing, bro? I know.
Team Bull's still
I went to
sleeping.
their Facebook page. And this is the first thing I seen.
Team Bull, where is everyone at this morning? I guess everyone's just sleeping in. We're missing about half of people in the Zoom, half on the lives. Yeah, there you go, Matt. They made too much money. Made too much money last week. What it is? They just got home from dropping your son off. Nice. That might be what's going on. Everyone taking their kids to school, running behind. Really sleepy this morning. I tried to go to bed early. I went to bed like 8. All right. fell asleep, probably 9ish. Then I woke up at 12, sat up for an hour, finally got back to sleep. I was lucky I fell back to sleep. Not San Jose, almost there. They were tired on the bag we made. Yeah, that's what seems to be the case here, Sherwood. Good morning, though, if I missed you coming in. I'm watching a reject up around previous day high, everyone. VWAP area, previous day high. Good morning, Naya. Trade Norian, good morning. Come on, don't reject yet. Go a little bit higher. A little higher. Is it going to do us dirty already, starting the week off? What did it go to? Well, I'm not a Catholic, but I would say homeschool. That was an option for me. No, I'm just saying. You asked either homeschool or Catholic. Let's see, Asia low. We could watch Asia low area if we get a strong close down here for a pullback or short. Yeah, I'm still considering the homeschool. If you're gonna try a couple weeks, normal or regular school, go from there. Let her help me decide. White candle, indeed, Thomas. All right. I want to try a trade, but the 15-minute range is not in. I want to go short right here, Asia low, everyone, but we probably need to wait on that 15-minute range to be safe, 800 to 788, where I was looking to go short. Let me know how that goes, Jessica. Nice. Nice, Alexander. My mental has been better as well. Been great. Just a little crazy. A little bit. Zoom in a tad? Yeah, I got you. How's that? Oh, you said it already happened. I thought you meant you just did, like recently. My bad. Good morning, Sosa. Good morning, Brett. Yeah, I'm trying to be patient here. I don't want to start the week off taking a trade early. We got plenty of time. Plenty of time. Oh, there's Gene. Let me talk to Gene for a bit. What's up, Gene? How you doing, man? I can't hear him.
Oh, my bad. I pressed mute.
That's all
Right on
good.
the microphone. How are you doing?
Doing good, man. I just seen you come on here. Wanted to check on you. Hadn't talked to you in a minute.
No, it's been a while. I've been good. Trading.
Asia been treating you well?
It's been okay. Not the best, not the worst.
All right, we got 5 more minutes to 15-minute ranges in. Then I will start looking for a trade, everyone. What was that?
Oh, yawning.
All right, Gene. Let me know if you take something, man. I'm waiting on your trade this morning. Jaden have to go to the bathroom. Is that where he went?
No, he took a phone call, I believe. I don't think he his bathroom this time.
Okay. He's taking a secret trade, everyone.
Honestly, I just got on to look at the charts. I haven't been able to look at anything yet.
Rizology wants the downside on this trend, huh? Hello, Droid Man. How you doing this morning? Appreciate the follow. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. I appreciate everyone that uses code Grizzly with Tradify, Apex, or Take Profit. 3 of the best prop firms in the game. You want to trade with prop firms, you don't understand them? Go to grizzlytrades.com, download my free guide / ebook there. Completely free to download. Excuse me. Until we close below this point of control, it's going to be hard to short. Just keep sweeping it. Thank you, Clownfishing. Are you using the pivot Zesh? People are loving the new pivots with Grizzology. I have not tried them yet, so maybe I'm gonna start trying them with you all. Which pivots do you like the best? You've got 6 options. Which one's your favorite with Grizzology? We'll see, Lucky Dog. We'll see if we get a nice trade that makes sense, that does what we want it to, or whatever's gonna. Wait a second. Gene can't quit yawning. He's ready for his nap. Can everyone hear me and see my screens well in case we get a trade here soon? We've got 1 minute until we can actually look for a trade. Thanks, Lucky Dog. Appreciate you for hanging out with us. Awesome. Thank you. I was talking about sharing my face on live. I'm going to still. I'm going to start sharing my face once I can get my facial expressions under control while I'm trading. I did a little test. I don't know about you all, but I make the craziest faces. Horrible. Is that not hilarious? Especially when I'm messing with people like Jada and them. I may just have to do the bear mask like you all recommended. Well, the only reason I was considering sharing my face, everyone, the algorithm seems to like it. I don't know. I guess I don't care if we have too many more in here, but what's up, everyone? Good morning. VWAP right at the top of this 15-minute range. Interesting. Interesting indeed. Am I AI? I mean, if I am AI, I have to be the most country version of AI there is yet. Let's see. Let's get a good read here, everyone. We don't need to force a trade. There's no trades to be made yet. Nothing. I doubt anything will confirm on this candle here. So if you have questions or a topic you want me to discuss, answer, whatever, drop it in the chat here. Yeah, I'm not interested in shorting here. Not right now. have a 5 second delay. I mean, you might be able to refresh, get a little bit better, but 3 to 4 is about the best you can get on here, you know? J-Dun's back. Oh, did you sneak off to take a trade, J-Dun?
Yep.
Secret
Snuck off
trade.
with the longs.
Secret trade.
That's what everyone says. They're going, oh, he's leaving 'cause he's taking secret trades.
Always instigate it when you leave. Yep, he's in a trade. Everyone, he just texts me. You have a good weekend, man? I didn't ask you.
I did. Honestly, just hung out with family the whole weekend, bro.
Nice.
How about you?
It was good. It was good. Watched the Odyssey. It was solid.
I went and seen the new Spider-Man.
Nice.
I gave it a 7 out of 10. Like, it was good, but in my opinion, it wasn't the best ever. I thought it was good. Like, I'd watch it again, but
Was
I
it
also wasn't like creaming myself over it.
was it better than the previous Spider-Man?
I thought
Maybe
that was
not.
better, in my personal opinion. I thought it was good though. I'm not throwing hate at it. I just
I say
thought it was good.
8.6. I give it 8.6, 8.5.
Thought it was good. I thought it was good. I thought it was good. I didn't think it was great.
You also said that about Happy Gilmore too. So,
Oh yeah, the first Happy Gilmore was 100 times better.
yeah. So
I did like the Hulk, the 2008 Hulk. I like that. I thought it was good. I think it was great. No shade, just thought it was good. I like upside this week for our scenarios. This week for today, I would like to see a traditional orb.
still watching this reject of VWAP, everyone.
Have to break through 15-minute high and VWAP.
860, 840s. Let's see.
So reversal.
Have a good day, Danny. VWAP is right, the line right above there. You see it? We're heading towards it right now. 15-minute range high to this previous day high. If the orb confirms, shorts are out of play for me. That simple. That's how I'm going to play it today. Let's talk about this setup. If you all don't like it or see something you want to discuss, no way. If it does me like this, if it sells off here, we're going to have problems this week. I can already feel it. What'd you say, Thomas? I didn't know your joke. I missed it. Oh, want to trying to show off the baby blues? You all are talking about the me showing my face on the live, huh? Scare everyone away. I might, Thomas. It may scare everyone off. Face looks the same as always, just maybe a few more grays in the beard, but I'm fighting them with everything in me. Let's see. talking to a guy in the sauna while we're waiting on a setup here. This candle's not going to confirm anything with this volume. It's going to have to get with it. And he was, this dude's ripped. He's like 50s, but I'm telling you, he's in, I would say as good a shape as you can be in at that his age, right? He just makes everyone in the gym look bad, but still at his age. But he was talking about getting older this fall, and like he just hates getting older. And we was talking about it, just me and him in there. I've worked out there. I've known him for years from just the gym. That's like the thing that bothers me the most is when I don't want to be weak. I don't want people to see me weak when I get older. Have to take care of me. He's like, man, that's exactly how I feel. Embrace the gray clown. Come on, give us some volume. Come in, volume. Come on in. Looks like it did us dirty, Team Bull. Sorry.
What?
I said
it's dirty. Oh, he had like 6 points early.
Yeah.
I probably wouldn't have entered it, but you were watching.
I was gonna try to add some there and add some around that previous day high if we had lowering volume, but we rejected early, so I'm going to see what happens here. Looks like we're gonna have a little higher volume on this candle.
Yep.
Good morning. Welcome in.
When each of you guys develops the mindset and the mental strength,
Welcome, welcome. We gotta see what this candle does. It's gonna do. It's gonna close above pre-market low, I believe. Good mining. All right. Appreciate all the likes on TikTok. 10K likes. We are missing some OGs in the chat this morning. You're missing some OGs in the chat. Sleeping in, huh? Probably working, honestly. What was the delta on this? Negative. What's up, Corey? It was good. I had a good weekend, Corey. I went and watched the Odyssey. Worked out. Worked a little. Relaxed a little. Danny had to work. He working. Making the money. What's up, G-Man? Jacob? Who else we? Doing good, Harlan. Just regular Nelson. School time. Is it start? Is school starting today for everyone? It starts today in my area. Okay, so it's close. It's pretty close for everyone. Yep, I know what that means, G-Man. All right. I like shorts in this area. I just don't like how opponent controls below us. What we thinking here, everyone? Let's talk about it. What's everyone's thoughts? Everyone's thoughts. Hopefully, it's not much. Not too much damage to you, man. That makes sense, Emma. So you can get to college in. Can you do that from home though? The college bit. All right, we can wait. Previous day high, but you gotta leave for work early today, Lando. Okay, have a good day. See you back tomorrow. Okay. Just want one good trade today with you all. We'll make it back, then we'll go work on the other incomes. Anybody eyeing any more long-term plays? CG man, everyone's got a busy Monday. Excuse me. I'm down for shorts if we confirm, or I'm down for the orb if we confirm. I don't care which one happens, honestly. It makes no difference to me, but this right here is going to be hard to break. BWAP is struggling here, not even to it yet. Let's see. I got assigned a ton of Mara last week. Let me see what it is. I haven't looked at it. Let's see how many shares I got. Oh wow, it's selling off hard. My average cost is around 11. I mean, I got 1,000. I got assigned 1,000 shares last week. All right. Push up, confirm the order, or push up and confirm the reject. This is a big area, everyone. Let's lock in, okay? Trying to catch Jadon not talking and tell Team Bull. All right, pushing up towards my area, everyone. It could go either way here. I don't care if we confirm shorts or the orb up here. Whichever one confirms is what I'm going with. But it is the key level. Probably the You got anything else on Watch Jedi other than what we're watching here?
Not really. Just waiting for volume and price to confirm. Not the 1 minute chart has been absolutely useless so far. Nothing on the 1 minute. 15-minute chart I don't typically use until like 45 minutes into the day. So these first few candles just don't give us a lot of value in my opinion. So we'll see. Wait, stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe. Morning, my friend. So I understand we could be a little.
What are you doing this morning, man? How's your morning going? Nice. You have a good weekend? What'd you get into? VWAP has dad strength, huh? Just chilling. Like a what? Yeah, I'm typically Tio. Oh, does anybody who tries to pass evals on CPI on Wednesday? Hopefully, it's almost over for you, man. The whole unpacking thing. I'm finally gonna break this. I don't know if we have enough volume here to break this. Man, yeah. The thing about when I move, once I start moving, I cannot. I will literally will work until everything's unpacked. It just I can't. I don't know. That's my curse. I just lock in, get it all done. If I don't, it drives me absolutely crazy having the boxes around. Knowing I have something to do, it drives me insane. Emma can relate. All right, we're at this level. See what happens here. This is it. It's either going to confirm the orb, or we're going to look for the short confirmation. This candle could confirm the orb, is what I'm saying. I doubt it could confirm shorts, but we'll see. You're in shorts already, Armin? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on shorts. I'm trying my best to stay locked in. I owe it to you all. Let's see. Volume just crap on this, huh? I was hoping the orb would confirm. I'm okay with shorts. Man. I just wanted to say this while waiting on setup. I am working hard to get the new feature in the Grizzology community out for you all. It has just taken, much longer than I expected, but it's definitely coming. We're in the testing stages now. Okay, gotta test it. Appreciate that, Harlan. Nothing yet. Tio, we're still waiting. I don't have a read yet. Do not have a read yet. What's the delta on this? Thanks, Robert. Nice. If this closes like this, the orb's confirmed, everyone. We'll look for a pullback to 840. All right, Team Bull. So the orb is about to confirm here. We pull back to this 15-minute range high. I will try longs. 850 down to 840 is a good area.
Yep, I like the area too.
Stops.
Like 815.
Yep. It's in play. The orb confirmed on the breakout candle. We just have to wait on retracement. There's too much risk taking it here.
Y'all likely put on, let's see, 840, 850, down to 815.
Thinking about 10 NQ?
10 minis. I'll probably put on like 1200 to 1400 of risk in my life.
Nice.
1000 to 1400 of risk in my life. We'll see.
I'm going to go with 100 nanos on this trade, everyone.
And the best thing about this is, we're watching the same thing, so if we lose, then it's your fault.
Yeah. Is it my turn?
The best part of this whole setup.
I think I took the blame last time.
The Friday trade was nice.
Man, last week was amazing altogether.
That was great.
Yeah. If I can have another week just like that, I will be more than happy.
We have clear price targets to the upside too. I'd love to see us retest into here, 850, 840 area. 850 to 835, we'll call it.
Nano maxing is the new.
Nano maxing?
Is the new, what Corey said.
It still is technically valid, yes. All right, let's see here. Hopefully we don't get a lower volume push up here. I mean, we could still technically be valid or up.
The stop will be at the bottom of the confirmation candle here. Jay. See right here? Or if if you want to put it below the 800, you can, the whole site, but I'm just going to keep it the confirmation candle. Spider-Man, probably, Chris. Honestly. I'm not for sure. Both were solid. Appreciate you all hanging out with us this morning. I have not, Bill. I'm not in a trade. I'm just waiting. I want to pull back Team Tampa to around the 15-minute range high. Maybe I might take a little early entry closer to 50s, in the 50s, but we'll see. All right, give us a pullback before you continue. I don't want to touch that 900, then pull back. I feel like we could reject 900 hard. I mean, which it would give us some room, but still. How we can sit through so many movies? I took a long break from watching movies and stuff, shows, and I've just recently got back to, doing that more the last year or so. And I just was it the beginning of this year? I just started reading books again that wasn't, you know, educational. You dirty NQ. Literally, everything I don't want it to do here before pulling back is doing. I guess if I had someone to hike with more often, I would go. Seems like no one ever wants to hike. I'm just gonna do solo hikes, I guess. What's a CC? No, I don't mind being in the woods alone. Find it peaceful. Even at dark, I don't mind it. Do we have wild hogs over here? Well, yeah, they're moving in pretty heavy now. Oh, concealed carry. You don't even have to have it in Tennessee. You do not have to have your license anymore to carry. in your vehicle, the woods. And if you do want it, you can do it online. So, Jesus, San Jose. I'm not in anything yet. Hope it doesn't bounce this previous day high and continue. Trying to wait to lower 850, 840. So if I am looking like here, it's just a way of life in Tennessee, Alexander. It's a completely different vibe than what everyone sees on the news and stuff. We just grew up with that type of thing. It's just natural to us. You're always around the mountains. You need to be able to, you know, ain't no way it missed that midline by 5 points. That was like a reversal candle. Had lower volume than the confirmation candle, so I'm going to go with it.
That's a little tricky. Right here. So this says that buyers pushed us up. Sellers said nope, pushed us aggressively down. So if we end up rejecting right in here, that's not a great sign.
Yeah, that's the only reason we ever carried Alexander when he was younger. People say animals are not dangerous. They are when they have when they're mating season or when they have babies. They can be very dangerous. Or disease. Yeah, exactly right. I didn't think of that, man. Good point. Just like humans, yeah. Humans. I'm watching. I want to see what we do on this push down. If we push down on lowering volume here, we'll definitely consider the bounce. A little bit lower. See, I hate how we hit that 900.
Still willing to watch it. 850 to 840. Preferably closer to 840. It's Monday, so no need to rush anything. I think we can get potentially a very nice higher low entry here. We got VWAP, 15-minute high. I'd like to see us come sweep into this area and then move up. So this doesn't look great right here. So we'll see. We're getting into that zone, guys.
All right, let's see. We are here. The area I was watching.
Yep. Fingers on the trigger.
I'm starting a small size,
Yep.
and I'm keeping
gonna
my
try
stop
to-
below 815. I'm in longs.
I 45. I tried a small piece of longs too, guys. Started as well in that zone. Started my position. Everybody down here, 845 area. I'm willing to risk down to like 815.
I just hope it doesn't pull back to the 800 and bounce because my stop. Wow, that's quite aggressive sell off there on low volume. Huh.
Yeah, it doesn't look great, but I'm gonna follow my plan and try it still. I don't love that we have that high volume reversal here. Still gonna keep it though. I'm gonna start my week red. This is the area I like. My exact stops are at 814, guys, to be exact. 814. I will stop for a loss.
Right below that confirmation candle. We could argue 29,800 below that to stop, but this is too much risk.
I'm not going to add risk to this trade, guys. I'm going to risk about 700 on my live account.
$1 million.
Not what I want to see. Not what you want to see, guys. A 5-minute close below this. Not what I want to see. So
don't stop us. I'm telling you, I feel like it's going to pull to the 800, everyone. I'm not moving my stop. I will stop out. Bro. If it breaks any further, I'll be out of this trade, everyone. Did it hit my stop? Can't you see the chart? Yep, I'm stopped out. My Tradeovate's freezing up again, too. Be careful. Be careful, okay? Huh. What is the chances of that?
no.
What was that?
Don't know, bro.
It grabbed my stop. My Tradeovate froze up when it grabbed my stop, but it filled it. So I'm out of the
It
trade.
stopped me at 811, so there wasn't too bad. So I'm more upset, bro. That literally swept and now it's ripping. Watch Riptide ass. Right there, Riptide ass.
Look, was you trading MNQ or NQ? Yeah, it pushed down further.
Ain't no way, bro.
I don't understand why it retraced so much. I mean, you figure, did it touch 800 on MNQ?
Ain't no way that's gonna rip. And then we'll see. Yeah, I'm out of that trade, guys. That is insane if that ends up pushing a high day. That is insane. That is insane if it ends up pushing. On the bright side, it shows biases, right? I still think we can have a higher low push and move up. That is some BS if it does that.
I don't like when it does that with MNQ because NQ was, okay. But MNQ went down like 15 more points.
Well, would have been just right there at 814. I'm not sure if it would have stopped. It would have just been right there at 814. Very close. I can't believe that, bro. I can't believe that. If we get a higher volume push here, I'll look for re-entry. That is one of those times that is just BS. I can't believe that. I'm going to complain about that for the next 5 minutes, then I'll be fine. What? That was just a straight up snipe. It would have just been right there at 814. MNQ pushed farther, though. MNQ did the same thing that it was doing that 1 week where it pushes farther than NQ, then pushes up.
Yeah, it's hard to trade MNQ when it does that.
I guess we're going back to minis if we're taking a trade. Ain't no way, bro. This trade would be in profit right now. I don't mind taking a loss to the chin. It's part of the game, but when it just sweeps and does some manipulation that moves, that's where it's like, all right, that ain't cool. That's right. We'll take it. I can't believe that, bro. What? So, all right, we'll watch for a potential high or low here, and I look for re-entry if it.
I really like that setup, everyone. The only thing I didn't like, we touched it at 900 first, but we was coming down on lowering volume when we touched. You can see NQ just barely stopped us out, you know? MNQ was on some games, but you were trading MNQ and stopped out at 805? Interesting. It blew right past the stops on 814. I'm watching to re-enter, everyone. I'm gonna give it one more try here if we get confirmation. This candle, what's the delta here? All right, I'm trying longs one more time, everyone. I'm trying longs one more time. Here at 8. Yeah, right here, 850s. I started small size. I'm gonna keep my stop at 815. I'm trading NQ.
I'm watching for a retest. I'll try to get like 850. 850 to 840. I like that area.
If it stops me out, I'm just gonna call it a day.
It's my fault.
Yep. Don't you do it. I want high day, then some. 858, my average.
Watching for this retest back down for longs, guys.
Come on. I'm not messing with MNQ. It's playing games with you.
I like that potential high day test too.
Come on. Just don't fail me now. Keep going.
All I like is the longs, guys. I have no interest in shorts right now. None. Only thing I like is the longs. If we fail this 15-minute high here and fail this low right here at 815 potential shorts, but
890 will be the first trim area.
I can't believe that, bro. That is so foul.
Yeah, I hate when it does that, man. When it breaks the confirmation candle, it makes you wonder if technicals will be respected the rest of the day.
Oh, man. That is not great. But, I mean, it shows that the strategy is valid. It just had one of those wicks, especially on MNQ. Like, on NQ, it would have been valid. It wouldn't have hit that 814. It would have just maybe nicked.
Come on,
just
push
right
up.
above.
Do not reject the 880. We wouldn't need 10 more points.
I like the longs too, bro. I think there's a good chance we go hit 900. That's where we rejected before.
All right, now push up.
That's foul. I like the long still. I just wanted to see a bit more retest down to like 850. But it looks like we want to go high day. We break above this area right here. I think we retest that high day at 29.9. Maybe we get a 2-bar. Wouldn't mind a 2-bar. I'd be down for a 2-bar. That being said, though, the strategy's valid. You guys see we retested this higher low here. Everything worked out. Just a slip on MNQ. That sucks. NQ wouldn't have been stopped. So that gives me a little peace. And that doesn't make me as salty. Part of the game.
What? Come on.
It's just doing the BS, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be one of them days, man.
Expecting technicals.
I took off half my position at entry to lower risk, everyone. I like to do that when it pushes up, misses my trim by a few points. I'll take half off at entry to lower risk. If it does hit my stop, I'm not taking a full loss this time.
All right, let's see here, everybody. I am 0 for 1 on the day on El Curis.
Actually trimmed a few points in profit. Just saying. Just pointing that out. If I post my P&L, I make some money today. So far, I'm red. I'm trading NQ right now, so.
So we can push up.
So
I was watching all morning.
Close to high day where I trim, everyone. Close to high day. All right. Did not fill my trim for some reason at 90. But
we're going to go high day here.
Yeah. Working against me here.
Russ, it's going high day.
I don't know why I didn't fill my trim.
Yeah, we'll see if this candle gets higher volume. That sucks. That definitely sucks.
Monday's making us work for it.
Especially because on NQ it wouldn't have been stopped. On the micros it just got stopped. Literally sweep down, sweep up within 3 seconds. I think it's a very high probability now we go to high day above 900.
Don't
We have
jinx it.
great price targets above too. Asia high and pre-market high. That's what I really liked about the trade is when you have that upside bias and you have price targets to fill this whole area. It's really good. It's all right. We'll look for another one, or it'll be just one of those days. Happens sometimes. Doesn't happen a lot, but it does happen. The most important part is that you look at the strategy, you look at the system, and the system works great. Price action is wicked down on MNQ and not NQ. Sometimes.
I feel like I'm about done trading MNQ for a while.
Me too. Yep. I literally watched the free live training you did last week. This was a very nice example.
Trim. There. Sorry.
points.
Stop is at entry now on the remainder of my position. Let's see if we run up here. I'd like to get up to 920. I don't have much of a position left where I took half off a little bit above my entry down there.
That trade would have literally been up 50 points. That sucks. I wouldn't say that if there's sometimes where micros are nice, you can scale. Even on the live account, you're trading 10, 15, 20 of them. You like to be able to trim. So minis aren't great for some people, especially if you're failing to get payouts.
This is going to try to hit my entry.
Sometimes it does it dirty like that.
Oh no, I got my entry. I got one trim off everyone. That was dirty. I'm glad we trimmed at 90.
It's tricky price action. This is a tough candle to.
Do we look for another trade, everyone? Continue trading? It's going to be a tough day for trading. We already see that. We get a high volume reversal candle, I will try shorts though if we're still live, just so everyone that's clear. The way we're rejecting here, yes, we could get a high volume green candle and cancel all that out, but I'm not for sure if we get above the 900 today. Yes, I was trading NQ. What a ugly candle. That first trade was just unfortunate, everyone. M and Q did some weird stuff, We had the right idea. M and Q had a brain heart attack, pushed down a lot further, blew through people's stops than NQ did. You heading out? You have a good day as well, okay? Derek, sorry to hear that, man. It's only a Monday, everyone. We gotta stay locked in. We took a loss. Weird stuff happened. We got back in, made some money back. Now we're looking for a third trade. We're gonna have to wait on strong volume. If we take a third trade, it will have to have very strong volume. Okay. It sounds like you got a stressful day ahead, Jacob. Going to the DMV. ES hit Asia high. Interesting. Nice cowboy big. Passed the first eval on this trade. Previous trade. You know what though? You know what, everyone? Even though it stopped us out on that first trade, I talked about it. I said it. I said maybe maybe we should put it below that 29,800. The whole number. No, I know we can look back. Hindsight's 2020, right? If we hadn't put our stop down here, right, that would have been. Let's see, what would the risk reward be there? I'm just gonna have to look into it. I can't remember. I have to look in my notes. I can't remember if I back tested that in when I was when I creating the orb strategy I use at least. I didn't create the orb by no means, but I modified one for our trading for Grizzology. Let's see, 800. I mean, it wouldn't have been too much. I don't know. 50, 40 point stop. We could have managed. And let's be honest though, no one expected MNQ to go down 12, 14 more points, however much it pushed down further than MQ. Excuse me. Is it raining? No. Sounded like it. What's up, Mark? What do you mean? Do I ever watch opening print? Let me turn it on here on the in front of us and see what we're opening. Opening print right here. I mean, really wasn't respected. That's right where it bounced on MQ, M and Q. We're trying. Mondays can be tough though. Hopefully you all are not down too bad. I know the first one was loser, second one winner. Jeez, Wizard, I thought you was for real. Negative 120. That's not bad at all. Well done on the risk management there. One good trade. If we catch the third trade, it could very easily put me nice and green on the day. One good trade. Like I said, though, it will have to just like stand out and basically give you no choice, give us no choice but to take it. The volume's so strong, you know. If you want the indicator on my screen, everyone, other than the volume bars that comes with TradingView, everything else is Grizzology. If you're interested in joining Grizzology community, it comes with a chat, business chat, user guide, great community around it. Go to grizzlytrades.com. Read about Grizzology. Use code NQ for 50% off your first month if you want to try it. So for $35, you can try the indicator. Make sure to take advantage of the chat. In fact, they have an option now where you don't have to have activation fee. Christian, I mean, I don't hate that. Putting your stop low at 29,800. I said it was an option before, but I didn't. I didn't put mine down there. I got stopped. So, oh well. We're gonna crush this week. I don't care how tough it is. We're gonna lock in and do it right. If we end this week red, it's not gonna be because we did things wrong. We're gonna do the same old boring thing we do every week. So. Appreciate all the likes and everything. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. I'm still looking for a trade for us. Appreciate you, Thomas. I don't see anything telling me we're going to continue on up still. Will we rise on low volume? Possibly, but that does not give us any edge as day traders. We have no edge rising or lowering volume. Unless we're looking for a reject in supply, which is at Asia high right now. Hourly supply. Quite a ways up. Let's see. What's my favorite prop firm? Good question. I would say if I had to pick one account right now, I would either go, I don't know. I like how you can bundle with Apex and Tradify now. You know, it gives you more of a discount. I try to think about cost as well when I'm picking accounts. I know if I was going to Tradify 50K select, definitely in the running. Bundle it. You can get five up. Say if you get five, you save money. Just use code Grizzly for the discount. Yeah, Daz, this is some tough price action, but I'm trying to see when the volume comes in. I want to see which way the volume's pointing here. Looking at this chart, if I just took volume away, right? Just looking here, if I just took everything off my chart, to me, it's saying we're going down. Okay, saying we're going down now. Or on this candle, look like a reversal of high day, but we just have dad strength up there, right? We keep having these long wicks to the upside since the confirmation candle here. EO, no. I mean, it's from people that use Tradeify accounts. Everyone either from the people I know, people either use a 50K select, pass the evals, or if they want to skip the evals, they just try the cheaper Lightning accounts they have. That you skip the evals, you get funded instantly with them. But they're for base hits, right? It's a tight consistency. You have to do small base hits until you reach your payout. That's how you're gonna do it with them. It's Coke Grizzly. Trade it back down. Nico, earlier when I took a trade, mine froze for a second. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it, what you're talking about, but I did have some issues earlier. Excuse me. Well, look at this volume on this candle, everyone. What's this telling us? Like we got no edge. No edge. Well, there we're getting some volume now. We are getting some volume now. What we thinking, everyone? Do we take a third trade? Shorts up around 38. Have to be like 838, right? All right, Team Bull.
What do you say?
I'm watching for a short 831, possibly. What do you think?
I like 838 40. Yep. Stops at 880.
Yes, I like the exact setup. It just doesn't rip down.
This 15-minute chart might confirm too. I wouldn't even mind seeing it stall for a second, getting some more volume, some more selling on the 15. Retesting that 15, you'll have the 15 and the 5 both confirming. So that would actually be that would look like a very good short if we had both 15 and 5 confirming. Let's see.
I hope it doesn't just sell straight off from here, It's be a third trade for me. I'll definitely be done after this one.
Oh. Final countdown.
Turn that song on. That's what we need. You see they're remaking Rocky? That's wild.
Okay.
Yeah, I love the old Rocky movies. Remaking it. The guy kind of sounds like him too.
830 to 840 is what I'm watching for shorts. Bouncing Asia low, but I still think it's worth a try at least. I have a bad feeling though that there's a chance we reject this 815. We had this previous wick in this aggressive push down, so a lot of times what you'll see is what we call touching tips. All jokes aside, you touch tips with these two candles and then move down.
I mean, I didn't see the name of the movie. I know it was Sylvester Stallone in the movie. A new one. Yeah, I think it's going to reject early for us. not down too much. How much are you down if you took both trades? For those that took the last trade, they're green. First one was a loser. Try my best to get us nice and green today. No way this is going to have higher volume, everyone. No way. It's going to have higher volume, isn't it? Come on. It's going to be close. It's got to get with it. Sorry to hear that, Naya. I hate when, I mean, I know losing trades are part of trading. It's just like winning trades are, but I hate when you all have a losing trade. Uh, no, I would say either you say you're looking to get your new first eval. I would say go with either Tradeify the 50K select or Apex. I would say, or sorry, I don't know. Yeah, I guess go with the Tradeify 50K select. Try that out. It's gonna be cheap. No consistency once you're going. You know, consistencies make it difficult for big plays. You know, big moves. Make sure you use code Grizzly to get the discount they have. I think it's 40% off right now on your first five 50K selects. If you want to bundle them, they give you like an extra 5% off. So you can get the five for, if you bundle five 50K select. I believe so. Break even day. That's not bad, Sosa. I'll take a break even day over a red day any time. If we push up to 820s, 820s, I would try. It's going to be this 800 probably, huh? 825, 822. Let's see what happens. No, I'm not taking shorts at 800. It's going to be 820, 830, 840, 820 to 840. Could be it, though. That is the higher volume candle, but I wanted this midline. Or at least these EMAs for my entry. We could do an 820 ad, then an 840 ad, but if you want listed, you know, least risk possible. You're going to have to wait for 830s. Put your stop right here at 8, basically 880. Going to have higher volume? Is this going to be higher green volume? Is the question. Hmm. Well, we're going to have rising volume on a short. It's going to be hard to take shorts now with rising volume on this candle. What's the delta on this? That's 490. Oh.
Don't. This is a tricky candle to short.
I'm not affiliated with Top Step, everyone.
I'll still watch it.
What do you think about this rising volume on the previous candle?
I don't love that aspect of it. That's the only part I don't like, but I'll still watch preferably 840. If we're gonna get a full-on downtrend, that's what it would be. Yeah, we're holding that 800 area. I don't love that, but I still think this 840 area could be a lower high. First trade that I took just got wigged out barely on the queue. That sucked.
Give us an entry. I don't know how I feel about it now. Appreciate everyone that used code Grizzly with Tradify this morning. It means a lot. You crushed it, as always. It's hard for me to short now with that previous candle volume, everyone. Even though it is a long wick to the upside, it had positive delta as well. Where's everyone checking in from this morning? Let's get the chats going. We're not done yet. Not break time. Tennessee here. Tennessee. Minnesota. PA. He's coming on. Hold on. Colorado. Cali. Texas. Arkansas. Kyle, that's Grizzology. If you want to read about it, go to grizzlytrades.com. My link in bio. Use code NQ if you decide to try it. Okay. Sunny Miami. Paris, France. Nice. I'm looking for a trade, yes. I don't have a good read here, everyone. Look, it's just not a good day for day trading. I know we had one winner, one loser, whatever. But now, just look, everything you think it typically does, just kind of doing. This candle here, higher volume, so I can't really short. I was going to take shorts at 820, then add 839. But that candle here invalidated it, pulling back further than typical. Yeah, that's a king. That's a far away place, man. Should I give away some accounts real quick? A couple at least. I don't know if I should do Apex or Tradeify. All right, let's see here. Slasher plays on YouTube gets a free Tradeify account. Let me pick one here from TikTok. Let's see here. TikTok. Is it only the same four that want to account? I'm trying to pick someone. I feel like I gave you all accounts recently. Like literally. Let's see. Let's do Kristen. Kristen, do you want a free account? All right, DM me, Christian. You can have an Apex or a Tradeify. I have both. You just have to DM me what you want. Both of you all. If I gave you an account, go to you. I mean, you can DM me on TikTok. You're already there. But YouTube, DM me on Instagram. Go to grizzlytrades.com to find a link to all my socials. Okay. Don't be following fake Grizzly accounts. Make sure it's the right ones. Um, so let's have a vote. Should we continue trading or should we call it? It's been a tough morning. 1-1 on the morning. My vote is we call it. We come back tomorrow. Better price action. 2 people said trade. What are we doing? Kind of mixed here. Yeah. YouTube mainly saying call it. 1, 2, 3. 15 more minutes? Let's do 15 more minutes. That's good. That's a good idea. 15 more minutes. Because quite a few people did ask to continue trading. Okay. So it wasn't. Do 15 more minutes. Why not, right? What would I look for? We have to wait on volume, honestly. It's the only thing we can do at this point. I mean, how do you all feel about the shorts up here at like 840? Is that still in play to you all? For me, this candle here had less volume than this green candle, but then we just flushed it completely and climbing back up. So, not for sure. Excuse me. all right. I like hanging out with you all, anyways. So anytime you're down to hang longer, I'll do it. Even if we don't catch another trade. Where's Liv at this morning's question? I haven't seen her at all. I know Fabiola is on vacation, so she probably don't have the best service. When am I linking up with Jada again? I don't know. Probably will have to be after school or during a school break, you know. What do I usually do after the morning session? I work on any content. I try to, answer DMs, emails, all that stuff. Um, then I get some steak at some point. I mean, just go out and get steak every day this week. We'll see. That's how I'm feeling right now. We'll see. Hard to get away. Nice, Wizard. You have to send me a picture, man. What's this price action, Jada?
It's terrible. Yeah, it sucks.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
All right, Poop Lips is here alive and well. That's good.
What? Always come in at the worst times, I feel like. Never know. Never know what you all are talking about. Me too, Flash.
Nothing yet. Just waiting. This isn't a live, it's pre-recorded. Yup. Yeah, it's pre-recorded. This is fake too. I pre-record. I know where the market's going. I knew that I was going to get whipped out today. I planned it in advance. I'm glad that you're concerned about your followers, Jada. I'm worried about Poop Lips. I care about all you guys, even the haters. I want to see the haters win too. No shame.
All right. SpaceX is at 132 again, huh? Jesus. My Mara just fell apart. Like I sold the 11 puts last week and got assigned. It's at 964 now. Sell some more. Sounds like a good idea. What's up, EG? How you doing? Here's what I'm guessing will happen. We'll push down the point of control. We can bounce right back up into this chop zone. We do break pre-market low here. 21,000 likes on TikTok this morning. Appreciate you all. Crushing it. What's everyone going to do after this live? I got to work on a few things. Take my dog for a walk. Work. Get your classroom ready. Eat. What are you cooking me? Homework, college. College homework. I hate homework. I don't even want to think about the homework. I don't have to do it anymore. Still don't like to think about it. Guns says go back to working. You got work, Guns? Nice. Sounds good to me. I'd try it. Cowboy helping out too much. Cowboy Big. We got two cowboys in here. One on TikTok and one on YouTube. Oh, big truck. Just waiting. I was not saying anything. I was reading. I got an email from my accountant. It's always lovely. So all I want to think about is taxes, you know? Hmm. Well, everyone, I don't think we're going to get anything. If we do get anything here in this chop zone, I don't want to take it anyways. So I will get the account sent out. Anybody uses Take Profit today, use code Grizzly. We're so close to getting the free accounts for this live, okay? Go to my grizzlytrades.com. Take Profit is still one of the best prop firms, okay? We're almost there. If we get them, I will give them away to you all this week. Hope you all have an amazing day. I will be back live in the morning. We're 1-1 today. The YouTube recording will be posted. Appreciate you all.